So what we have here is a hose reel, stainless steel, 240 volt electric rewind, a TCS 735 3-inch flow meter, electrical control panel and a radio control system. The application is this hose reel is going to refuel ships and light vehicles up to 50 to 60 metres away, and they're going to be remotely started. So what we're going to do here is do our wet test. First of all, we're going to step through the control. So if we bring that in, that's in Sam's hand. So we're going to electrical control with an e-stop on the rear. So Sam's going to demonstrate this. Sam's built this, so he's pretty proud of it. So he's going to run through it. There you go, Sam.
So we're going to unwind the hose reel.
So this is our test tank. We pump fuel in and out of this tank. So what Sam's doing now is he's opening the isolation valve, and this is in the light vehicle refueling mode. So it has a nozzle on it. So from here, Sam can start the pump remotely. So this pump has two functions, low flow refueling and high flow refueling. So low flow and high flow refueling. So we're going to start it in low flow refueling. We're going to put fuel back into the test tank. So Sam, step up onto the test tank, start the pump remotely. So our pump's now running, and Sam will start the pump. So you can do this from the remote control. In a test tank application, we haven't got it configured. So we'll step through that in a second. As you can see, the meter's going around, we're actually pumping fuel. So this would be doing up to 700 litres a minute on average, but in low flow applications, it's about 110 litres a minute. All right, Sam, we'll shut it down there. So while we're out here in the sun, we'll leave that alone for a second. Sam, can we come back over here and we'll demonstrate starting and stopping the pump on the boards. We'll just put a bit of shade onto that so we can see. All right, so Sam, can you demonstrate starting the pump with the lights coming on?
Yeah, right, okay. So on the remote, we saw before, we've got the controls there. So it's just as simple as press the start button to start the pump. So if we maybe go on the board, you can see that we've got the pump running and we've got our low flow active. Now if you want to swap it over to high flow, you press the high flow button and we've got the high flow light coming on there. Once you're done filling up, press the stop button again and the pump turns off.
And just demonstrate the e-stop, Sam. So the emergency stop, this guy's 50 metres away. Something's going wrong, he needs to stop it in a hurry.
So the top button on here, that's the emergency stop. You push that in and instantly we get the stop activated on the board.
So show the lights on.
And that shuts down all pumps.
So we'll wind it back in. And done. Then I'll stop it. And we're done. So the idea of this is a one-person operation, which is probably more important than anything else. Why electric reel? We've got 60 metres of 2-inch hose on there, full of fuel. It's heavy. We also have on this board, if you step in, chances are someone will put that in their pocket and take it home at some point in time. We have a duplicate control panel that can be run here manually. So we can select to manual mode and it becomes a 2-person operation. Thank you for your time and patience.